It's your boy back with another banger, man, you feel me? Today's video, we're gonna skip everything. We're gonna get straight into the facts. I'm gonna show y'all how to get your hands on the off-white 4s that are coming out this Saturday, July 23rd. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button for more sneaker content. All right, guys, so as you guys know, these shoes are gonna be coming out this Saturday, July 23rd, and they're gonna be retailing at $200 US. Now, sizes for the shoe are going to be produced up to a women's 16, but it has been rumors that the men's version could come out. So if you guys do want to wait and you don't want to go for the women's sizing, because the men's sizing is, of course, going to be more comfortable, you could do that. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to get your hands on these shoes, how to freaking cop, you feel me? Now, first thing first, make sure you guys follow Off-White on Instagram, because they are going to be hosting a raffle, and this raffle is going to contain a lot of stock on these shoes. Now, stock is rumored to be very low around. Now, I've been hearing rumors from 27K to 50K. Now, guys, either way it goes, 27 to 50 is still low. Either way it freaking go, bro. So your chances to cop these shoes are very minimal. So do anything you can to try to get your hands on these shoes. Like I said, make sure you guys follow Off-White on Instagram. They are going to be hosting a raffle that is going to contain a lot of stock on there. Now, guys, your best chance at getting these, like I say always, is going to be Nike sneakers. The Nike sneakers is going to be dropping at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so 9 a.m. if you're in Central. I don't know what Pacific time is, because, you know, I don't live over there, you feel me? But 10 a.m. Eastern time, and it's going to be a draw. So that means you're going to have 10 minutes to enter as much accounts as possible. Now, it was a Leo, which is like first come, first serve, but it's been changed back to a draw. So make sure you guys get as much accounts as possible. Text all your friends, anybody you can, to get an account so you can have as much accounts as possible. Now, I know I say that, but make sure you guys enter in a max of 3 to 5 accounts, because after that, you do have a chance of getting IP banned, and you have no chance of getting the shoes at all. So if you do want to put as much accounts in as possible, just do 3 to 5. And guys, this is like your last resort. I know you guys want to get all your chances in, but this is going to be an early drop. It's going to be like at 4 o'clock Eastern time, maybe like 3 Central. It's going to be real early in the morning. It's going to be on the Off-White website. And I don't know if you guys tried to cop on the Off-White website before, but bro, it's horrible. The website is horrible. The service is trash. It's going to be real hard to get your hands on these if you do go for just the website only. So I would make this, you know, I wouldn't count on getting these shoes that way. It's also going to be botted up. So you guys can go for the website. It's going to be 4 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys look out for that too. All right, guys, and current resale is sitting around 1K to 3.2K last time I checked. Now, this is definitely going to drop as we approach Saturday, but I do see this resale holding up to about at least above 1,000, bro, at least. But this could possibly settle out. I don't know, it could do like the Off-White Jordan 5s, you know what I mean? You know how that happened, bro. Them went up as soon as they dropped it in. They've been out for a while. Prices just don't went all the way down. I'm glad I sold mine when I did. But if you guys do want to hold these, this could be a good investment, because it is a good, nice, neutral colorway. And you know, it's pretty wearable, you feel me? So if you guys do want to hold these, this might be a good bet. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. It's been your boy.